Hey everybody, this is Sissy. I'm back with a quick DIY. This would be a fun thing to do with your kids or with your girlfriends or just with your family. We're going to do some quick and easy paint pouring on some Dollar Tree ornaments. I got these ornaments. They're the 12 in a pack for $1.25. Now all I did was I took the caps off. Got my little cup full caps here. Took the cap off the end. It's easy, it just pulls right off. And I took a popsicle stick and cut it down so that it could fit into the ornament. And so paint won't gather up on the end there, I'm going to put a little piece of painter's tape on it. And then I took just a cardboard box and cut some slits in it so that I'd have a base to hold my ornaments while I painted them. And I've just got it on a tray lined with a old garbage bag. And all the paint I got from Dollar Tree. And let's see, some of it is metallic, some of it's just regular paint. It's all craft paint, not the tempera paint because that'll wash right off. And I mixed it with a little bit of water to make it runny. And I'm going to use this. This is called a split cup. It's just something that was in my stash of stuff, and I thought we'd give it a try. So you can mix. You can put 5 different colors in here, and then when you pour it, it'll mix on the ornament as you're going along. But you could do it one color at a time. We might try something like that too. Or you can do what they call a dirty pour, where you put all the paints layered in a cup. We might try that too. But anyway, let's get right to it. I know this is kind of last minute, but there's still plenty of time before Christmas to go ahead and make some ornaments and make some memories. But let's get started. I've got 3 colors of purple, 3 shades, a black that's got some like iridescent in it, and just some white. All right, let's give it a try. And we're just going to let's see. I think I'm not supposed to squeeze the cup. Let's try it this way. Let's try one just pouring it straight and not doing the circles and see what happens. That's pretty cool. I don't know which ones I like better. All right, now let's try one. I'm going to take this little cup and I'm going to layer the paint in it and do what they call a dirty pour. So we're just going to put a little bit of each color. I'm gonna try this one. Wow, they're all so different. All right, now we're going to try one. We're just going to use each one separately. Let's try this one. Some white. My white's gotten really thick. It's very cold here. Well, cold for the south. I'm not liking this. I don't think this is really doing anything. Maybe that would be better when they do like big objects, but these little balls I think look better with the colors all mixed together. So we're going to go back to that and finish up these. Right, because I believe I've got them all covered. So I'm going to let these sit and, oh nope, I missed some spots. Let me get those. All right, I let my ornaments dry overnight, and I gave them a clear coat of Krylon triple thick glaze. I think that's what it's called. And I let that dry, and then I put the caps back on, which is really easy to do. They just pop right back on. And then I took a little bit of baker's twine and threaded it through to make a hanger. And I think they turned out really good. I'm like how they turned out, but it's something that's quick and easy, and not counting drying time. Of course, that depends on how warm it is where you store them. I kept it pretty warm last night in my house, so they would dry. But to go along with this, I got some little ornaments from Amazon, and then I got these jeweled stickers from Dollar Tree. And I put a little design, and all I did was cut out the little medallion out of the sticker, and they stick right on. I think these ornaments, I got 24 ornaments for $6 or $7. So that blinged it up a little bit. I thought that turned out pretty good. I made those. And it could be just as simple as putting that on there, or you can go crazy and cover the whole thing. I did one like that. I love how that one turned out also. And I used my Cricut, and I personalized some of them with the names of the members of BTS. This is for my sugar, not sugar. And then here's a glitter one. We got a little more fancy with this. But anyway, these are my ornaments for my sister's BTS Christmas tree. I've got some more stuff coming up, and I hope to see you soon. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. See you next time.